Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Philly D here. Welcome to Friday Night Fireworks, everyone. Tonight we got Color Storm 19 shot 200 gram cake by Raccoon. Who's ready for a color storm? Let's get right to it. Here we go, guys. Welcome to Friday Night Fireworks. We got Color Storm 19 shots by Raccoon, straight out of Redbeard's musket shot. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Nice. Woo! Nice colors. Damn. Yeah, baby. Woo-wee. Nice. Yeah. Dictator Shell by Magnus Fireworks going up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Check this out.